Hello and welcome to the session. Business Strategy, LO1. Analyze the impact and influence that the macro environment has on an organization and its business strategies. How does the macro environment shape business strategies? In this video, we explore the impact of external factors on organizational decisions. Discover how strategic planning aligns with macro environmental influences. The aim of this unit is to develop an understanding of strategic approaches in various organizational roles. It emphasizes knowledge of theories and concepts supporting strategic choices. Completing this unit equips students to contribute effectively to business planning. Junior managers can use these insights for decision-making. Understanding strategy is key to operational success. The macro environment includes broad external forces affecting an organization. These factors are beyond direct control but shape operations significantly. Frameworks like PESTLE help summarize these influences. Political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors are crucial. Understanding these is vital for strategic planning. Political factors involve government policies and regulations impacting organizations. Changes in leadership or legislation can alter business strategies. Political stability affects investor confidence and economic growth. An example is Brexit's impact on UK businesses. Organizations must adapt to political shifts for strategic alignment. Economic factors include inflation, interest rates, and economic growth. These directly influence consumer purchasing power and demand. Economic downturns require strategic adjustments in pricing or offerings. The global financial crisis is a notable example. Understanding economic trends is vital for strategic planning. Social factors encompass societal trends and demographics. Changes in consumer preferences and cultural norms affect business strategies. Organizations must align products with these trends to meet expectations. The demand for sustainable products is a key example. Social awareness drives strategic shifts in industries. Technological factors involve innovation and development rates. Rapid technological changes can lead to obsolescence or new opportunities. Companies must stay updated with trends to remain competitive. E-commerce's rise transformed retail strategies. Technological advancements drive strategic innovation. Environmental factors include ecological aspects and regulations. Companies face pressure to adopt sustainable practices. Consumer demand and regulations drive this shift. The automotive industry's move to electric vehicles is an example. Environmental considerations are integral to strategic planning. Legal factors pertain to laws affecting organizational operations. Compliance with regulations is mandatory to avoid penalties. Legal changes can impact data management and operational strategies. The GDPR's implementation significantly altered data handling. Legal awareness is crucial for strategic compliance. The macro environment shapes opportunities and threats for organizations. Strategic decisions must consider these external factors. PESTLE analysis helps integrate these into planning. Aligning strategies with macro factors ensures sustainability. Organizations gain competitive advantage through informed decisions. Analyzing the macro environment reveals new market opportunities. Technological advancements and social trends create new segments. Organizations can innovate or diversify based on these insights. Identifying opportunities helps in strategic positioning. Proactive analysis leads to competitive advantages. Understanding the macro environment aids in risk anticipation. Economic downturns or regulatory changes pose threats. Organizations can mitigate risks through diversification or market entry. Strategic planning includes assessing potential risks. Effective risk management ensures business resilience. Macro-environmental analysis aligns strategies with external conditions. This alignment ensures responsiveness to changes. Organizations adapt to new regulations or consumer shifts. Strategic alignment enhances organizational agility. It positions companies for long-term success. Staying ahead of macro trends offers a competitive edge. Early adoption of sustainable practices differentiates companies. Organizations leverage macro insights for strategic advantage. Competitive positioning is strengthened through informed decisions. Proactive strategies enhance market standing. Missions, visions, and objectives guide strategic planning. They shape organizational identity and direction. These elements ensure alignment across departments. Clear objectives translate vision into actionable steps. Understanding these is crucial for achieving long-term goals. A mission statement defines an organization's core purpose. It outlines what the organization does and who it serves. This statement guides decision-making and strategic planning. It provides clarity for employees and stakeholders. A strong mission statement is foundational for success. The vision statement outlines long-term aspirations. It represents what the organization hopes to become. This statement inspires and motivates employees. It serves as a benchmark for strategic initiatives. A compelling vision guides future direction. Objectives are specific, measurable goals linked to the mission. They translate vision into actionable targets. Objectives guide daily operations and strategic decisions. They are categorized into short-term and long-term goals. Clear objectives are essential for organizational success. Strategy is a comprehensive plan to achieve specific goals. It involves resource allocation and market positioning. Strategy aligns with mission and vision for long-term success. It differentiates organizations from competitors. Understanding strategy is vital for competitive advantage. Strategy serves as a roadmap for achieving objectives. It sets priorities and establishes timelines. Strategic intent focuses on leveraging core competencies. Strategic direction guides growth and adaptation. Effective strategy ensures organizational success. The macro environment is critical in shaping business strategies. Using frameworks like PESTLE provides comprehensive insights. Organizations can mitigate risks and seize opportunities. Strategic planning must incorporate macro analysis for success. Understanding these dynamics ensures long-term adaptability. In conclusion, analyzing the impact and influence of the macro environment is essential for developing effective business strategies. Factors such as political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental influences shape organizational opportunities, risks, and strategic choices. By systematically analyzing the macro environment, organizations can anticipate change, adapt strategies, and maintain competitiveness. A strong understanding of these external influences supports informed decision-making, strategic alignment, and long-term organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.